Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming hardware so you avoid dead ends. Check the PC and monitors to see which show HDMI and which show VGA. Once done, pick an active HDMI to VGA converter because passive adapters won't translate digital signals to analog. That's why it needs power. Make sure you have an HDMI cable to the converter, a VGA cable to the second monitor, plus USB power for the adapter. This step prevents signal mismatch and sets you up for immediate connection. Now you connect hardware sequentially to avoid confusion. Plug the HDMI cable from the PC into the active converter and plug the converter's USB power so it can convert the signal. Next, connect the VGA cable from the converter output into the VGA monitor. Then make sure each monitor's input source matches. Set one monitor to HDMI and the other to VGA. Once everything is powered, you'll see a signal on both, or at least on the HDMI monitor, while the converter initializes. Finally, you configure the software side so the system uses both screens. Open your operating system's display settings, click Detect if needed, then choose Extend or Duplicate depending on your goal. Extend gives you more desktop space. Make sure each monitor's resolution and refresh rate match its capabilities so images aren't stretched. If you don't get a picture on the VGA monitor, check the adapter's USB power. Swap cables to rule out defects, and try another HDMI port. Those 3 quick checks usually fix.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.